Have you heard? There's a surveillance camera that's quietly rewriting the rules of the security industry. Whether it's a parking lot, a traffic intersection, or even a military zone, the ACTI dual-light smart cameras, Z322 and Z722, are creating shockwaves. With their unbeatable combination of full-color night vision, built-in AI detection, proactive deterrence, and cost-saving design, these cameras are quickly becoming the go-to solution for both system integrators and end users. Are you ready for the next generation of surveillance? Let's dive in and see why the Z322 and Z722 are changing the game. First, let's talk about a standout feature, full-color night vision. The Z322 and Z722 are equipped with built-in white light LEDs that stay on in night mode, allowing them to capture crisp, full-color images even in total darkness. Whether it's at a parking garage corner, a traffic intersection, or the perimeter of a military base, these cameras let you clearly identify people's clothing, vehicle colors, and suspicious objects, leaving behind the limitations of blurry, black and white infrared footage. Next, a major benefit, cutting down on costs. With integrated white light LEDs, ACTI's dual light cameras eliminate the need for additional external lighting systems. That means no more spending on expensive light installations or ongoing maintenance. From bus stations to pedestrian areas to military ammunition depots, the Z322 and Z722 provide effective night monitoring with minimal infrastructure. Third, let's explore the power of AI. These cameras come with built-in intelligence, capable of detecting people, vehicles, and unusual sounds in real time. Whether it's loitering in a parking lot, suspicious behavior at a crosswalk, or unidentified sounds near restricted areas, ACTI gives you instant alerts and smart responses. This isn't just surveillance, it's active protection. Finally, a feature that takes prevention to the next level, proactive deterrence. The cameras default to infrared mode at night to remain discreet, but once they detect a person, vehicle, or sound anomaly, the white light instantly activates. This powerful flash acts as a visual warning, effectively deterring intruders. It's like having a digital security guard monitoring entry points, intersections, or guard stations around the clock. Still struggling with costly upgrades and ineffective night surveillance? Now's the perfect time to switch to ACTI Z322 and Z722 dual-light AI cameras. Contact us today and equip your parking areas, transit hubs, or high-security zones with next-level protection. Don't wait, click the link and discover how ACTI can become your most trusted partner in smart security.